Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
This quick guide shows how to use your Chromebook as a second monitor. You will need a Windows PC and a Chromebook that runs Android apps. Install the Space Desk server on Windows to create a virtual display. On the Chromebook, install the Space Desk Android viewer from the Play Store. Use a 5 GHz Wi-Fi network for the best latency and stability when possible. Expect resolutions like 1920 x 1080 and refresh rates up to 60 Hz in normal setups. Allow Space Desk through your Windows firewall for a smooth connection. First, install Space Desk server on the Windows PC and run the program. Note the IP address displayed in the Space Desk server window. On the Chromebook, enable Android apps if needed in Settings and open the Play Store. Install the Space Desk Viewer app and grant required permissions to the app. Make sure both devices are on the same 5 GHz Wi-Fi network for best performance. Open the viewer and tap the Windows IP address to begin connecting. The Chromebook will display the virtual monitor almost instantly. After connection, change Windows display settings to extend these screens. Drag the virtual Chromebook display to the desired side or above your laptop. Adjust scale and resolution in Windows display options for readable text. If performance lags, try switching to wired Ethernet on the host machine. Confirm the Chromebook and PC are on the same subnet for networking. If the app cannot connect, allow Space Desk through Windows Firewall or open port 40705. Close heavy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.